Now to the fatal phone call. We are now 3 months away from Sean Grayson's standing trial in the death of Sonya Massey, and the defense is preparing their case. Today, Grayson's legal team filing a motion asking to present evidence of Sonya Massey's mental state and likelihood of violence to support their case. News Channel 20 Spencer Davis joins us now with what arguments Grayson's team is making. Spencer?
The defense brings up 3 dates they say shows Massey had a propensity for violence and was, quote, mentally troubled in the hours before she was killed. Regarding Massey's mental health, the motion includes an incident on June 27th when a Massey texted a car salesperson and said she is not okay. She was about to die at St. John's. Next, on July 5th, the day before her death, Massey's mother, Donna, took Sonya to the hospital after calling 911, saying Sonya was having a mental breakdown and had busted out her car window. As for potential violence, the defense claims earlier on July 6, 2024, the day Massey was shot and killed, she allegedly battered and assaulted a neighbor with a brick. The defense's motion is asking that these pieces of evidence are allowed to be presented during Grayson's trial in October. His next court date is set for Friday at 10:30 a.m. Reporting for News Channel 20, I'm Spencer Davis.
All right, thanks, Spencer. Now, Grayson is set to stand trial in Peoria in October. We have just learned that Grayson is now in custody at the Sangamon County Jail. Sheriff Paula Crouch issuing a statement just a minute ago saying that the transfer is to accommodate medical procedures and that Grayson will be housed in a secure unit.
Breaking news as we get closer to Sean Grayson's trial. Grayson, the former Sangamon County Sheriff's deputy charged with killing Sonya Massey, is back in Sangamon County now. According to Sheriff Paula Crouch, the transfer is to accommodate medical procedures and appointments. Grayson will be housed in a secure unit, and Crouch says appropriate safety precautions are in place. Grayson is expected to stay in Sangamon County until his trial in October.
The trial now just 3 months away, but Grayson's attorneys are pushing for the judge to take action against the Massey Commission ahead of the trial, asking for a cease and desist against the group. Now, this was one of several motions filed this week by the defense.
News Channel 20 Spencer Davis joins us now with what they're asking for. Spencer?
Grayson's team claims actions by the Sangamon County Board-funded Massey Commission impacts Grayson's upcoming criminal trial. The motion includes a June 12th event called Peoria for Justice for Sonya Massey Town Hall, which says it was hosted by the Massey Commission. The defense claims this and, quote, a mission to educate the citizens of Peoria on the Massey matter, end quote, is potentially tainting the jury pool. They claim events like this goes against the basis of moving the trial, and if nothing is done, the defense, quote, will have no recourse but to move for a second change of place of trial, end quote. Now, we reached out to the Massey Commission for comment, who said, quote, neither the Massey Commission nor any commissioner has acted in an official capacity in Peoria County, end quote. Reporting for News Channel 20, I'm Spencer Davis.
Thanks, Spencer. Grayson's trial date is currently set for October 20th in Peoria County. His legal team also filed notice that they will be arguing that Grayson's use of force was self-defense during his trial.
Now to the fatal phone call. There's 3 months to go before the trial of the former sheriff's deputy accused of killing Sonya Massey. Today, Sean Grayson's legal team filed 3 new motions.
The defense is asking to present evidence of Sonya Massey's mental state and likelihood of violence, as well as asking for a cease and desist against the Massey Commission.
News Channel 20 Spencer Davis joins us now to break down each of these motions. Spencer?
Grayson's team claims events in the days leading up to Massey's death shows a propensity for violence and shows her to be, quote, mentally troubled. The first motion filed shows on June 27th when Massey texted a car salesperson and said she is not okay and she was about to die at St. John's Hospital. On July 5th, the day before her death, Massey's mother, Donna, took Sonya to the hospital after calling 911, saying Sonya was having a mental breakdown and had busted out her car window. The defense claims, quote, the alleged victim's then existing state of mind is central to the ultimate question as to whether the defendant's belief that employment of deadly force was reasonable and justified, end quote. Regarding potential violence, the defense claims earlier on July 6, 2024, the day Massey was shot and killed, she allegedly assaulted a neighbor with a brick. In the filing, a separate neighbor told Illinois State Police that, quote, Sonya and her neighbor had been in a dispute the day prior in reference to a car window being broke. The defense claims Massey is reported as the aggressor in this incident. Since Grayson's team is claiming self-defense, they argue showing evidence of a victim's past conduct can show the situation the defendant was in. The final motion filed is a cease and desist against the Massey Commission. The defense claims the commission has tainted the potential jury pool in Peoria by going on, quote, a mission to educate the citizens of Peoria County on the Massey matter, end quote. The Massey Commission responded saying, quote, neither the Massey Commission nor any commissioner has acted in an official capacity in Peoria County, end quote. A spokesperson for the Massey Commission said the Massey family is preparing a statement, but it was not ready in time for our deadline. Reporting for News Channel 20, I'm Spencer Davis.
Thank you, Spencer. Grayson's next court date is set for Friday at 10:30 in the morning. His trial is slated to begin on October 20th in Peoria County.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more videos from News Channel 20.